With lunar soil brought back from exploration missions, many people are curious if it can be touched directly.
Can we touch lunar soil as easily as we put our hands into a bag of rice?
Actually, we have already come into contact with lunar soil. Our bodies are made up of atoms and molecules. Atoms and molecules in our bodies are always changing. For instance, our taste buds renew every 10 days, and our facial skin cells are replaced monthly. However, not all the atoms and molecules that make up our bodies come from Earth itself. Every day, about 100 tons of space rocks and star fragments fall to Earth, including lunar meteorites. When something hits the moon, pieces of lunar rock can be thrown off at high speeds, and some of these are pulled in by Earth's gravity, eventually landing here.
Since 1982, 306 lunar meteorites have been found. However, over Earth's and the moon's entire history,
countless lunar meteorites must have fallen to Earth, and some inevitably became part of your body. So, from this perspective, you are also 0.00000000001% lunar.
When the Apollo 11 astronauts returned from the moon, they were kept in isolation for 3 weeks to ensure no unknown lunar life forms could harm Earth's ecosystems.
Later, the Apollo 14 mission dropped the quarantine rules for lunar missions after confirming there was no life on the moon.
Lunar soil
is made up of rock bits and glassy particles, primarily containing elements like silicon, aluminum, and magnesium. Lunar soil doesn't contain harmful substances, making it safe to touch. When Apollo astronauts returned to their spacecraft, their spacesuits were coated in lunar dust. So, don't worry. Lunar soil is safe to touch. But what about Martian soil? Interestingly, a Martian meteorite lands on Earth roughly every 50 years. Although no macroscopic life has been found on Mars, scientists discovered a Martian meteorite in 1984 that had bacteria-like structures. Thus, returning Martian soil samples poses safety risks.
To avoid contaminating other planets with Earth's bacteria, all Mars-bound probes must be sterilized to meet the Coleman-Sagan equation, reducing the chance of Earth bacteria contaminating Mars to 1 in 10,000.
So, Martian soil may not be as safe for us as lunar soil. China's successful launch of the Tianwen-1 Mars probe showcases our rapid technological progress and high-tech development.
The progress in high-tech fields sets the ceiling for civilian technology. As China and Tianwen venture further, the products we use will become more advanced.
Our lives will get better, and we'll naturally feel prouder.